Recently, I've been broke as shit, my boyfriend included, but currently I am in the need of a new project. There is no shortage of them around here, but again, being broke right now, I was looking for something to do that was budget friendly. And that was when I looked over here and saw this space and thought, okay, well, this shit gotta change. So ultimately, what I'm imagining in this space is to put some kind of wallpaper here, not exactly the one that I'm showing right now, and some sort of dresser or side table here. Please excuse my shitty AI skills. I have never done this before, but you get the picture. So upon close inspection, I've noticed that the wall is far too textured to be able to hold any sort of wallpaper on it, which means that I have to bring back my very trusted skim coating. But before doing any kind of skim coating, I gotta finish cleaning up first. Aw, shit. What am I gonna do with you guys? No, Colin! No. Okay, privileges revoked. I'm gonna put you in a bowl. It smells like shit.
I just got home.
But I need your opinion on something, so I gotta mic you real quick. So here's my thought process. Thermostat. Okay, so you mentioned that you wanted to get a nest egg.
Nest.
Nest egg.
No, that's just called a nest. A nest egg is like a function line.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So I was thinking about wallpapering this entire wall, right? What do you think?
Sure. Okay.
Okay, so if I... Excuse you, Kirby. Give me a second. 1 second. If I wallpaper this entire wall,
Okay.
and then I cut around this thermostat here, by the time I put the nest egg...
The nest.
By the time I put the nest there, by the time I put that there, we're going to have a massive square cutout in the wallpaper and it's going to look like shit.
Okay.
If you're wanting to get a nest, speaking out, forever hold your peace.
No, I do want to. I would like to get one.
Okay, let's go.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
Rose.
Look, hey, hear
Rose,
me out.
we're here for a thermostat.
But hear me out.
Rose.
It's...
Put it on the Lowe's. Those headsets.
Whoa.
Beats Fit Pro. It's for
We're here
working
for
out.
a thermostat, Timothy. Oh, it doesn't rotate.
How do you do it?
Oh, you do it by finger touch.
What?
You just touch it with your finger. You don't actually like rotate. There you go.
What? That's gonna be annoying.
Do you want to ask the staff member? There's more in the back.
No.
Yeah, but I mean it's locked anyway, so you're gonna have to ask to get one.
Do you want to ask?
No, I thought we were leading this.
No, you're. You know what I mean?
No.
Yeah.
Okay. I always have to do the asking. Anytime we order food, I have to do the calling. Now might be the time for you to shine.
No. Now's not the day.
Why not?
I don't like talking to people.
The introvert in you is dying.
Yes.
Okay,
I don't
I'll
want
ask
to.
him.
Okay.
I'll ask him. Don't worry.
Okay.
Crisis averted.
You can stop rolling now.
Okay.
We got the learning thermostat.
What does learning do though?
I have no idea. It says learns the temperature you like and programs itself. Automatically turns itself down when you're away. It says easy to install, designed to work without a common wire. What is a common wire?
I don't know.
Cool.
Whatever. Let's just rip this thing off. Do you think this thing will just come right off?
You broke my thermostat.
Our thermostat. There you go. Also, I didn't break it. The front is supposed to come off. This isn't the right size, but whatever. So it's been a couple of days since I skim coated this wall. So now that it's officially dry, I can finally work on putting in the new thermostat. So now is the moment of truth to see if I actually wired this up right. I am not that confident in this. I don't know that I wired this up right. Okay, so I'm learning that I did not, in fact, this up, but apparently you're supposed to charge it first. There's like a little USB port, so I'm gonna go do that. Turned on. All right, it's a moment of truth. This is a very exciting moment, Timothy. What do you think? Oh, okay. English? Do we want English?
Yes, please.
So now that the thermostat is installed and the texture on the walls is completely ready to go, I finally have the time to look at some wallpapers. And I found a budget-friendly one that I think is perfect and is totally gonna go with the space, but it doesn't get here for another 2 weeks. So I will reveal it in an upcoming video when I do this entire wall. But if you're interested in watching budget-friendly makeovers, then this video might be worth a watch.